Thank you for finding me. It wasn't easy growing up the way I did, not knowing if I was ever going to have a real home. I've lived in lots of different places, some better than others. I remember a cold, wet, dark room that wasn't big enough for me. No room to play or feel safe. But now with you, I have a warm place to spend the night, and I have room to play during the day. Thank you for giving me good food so I'm never hungry. Thank you for taking me to a doctor so I can have what I needed to be healthy. Thank you for loving me like your own. Thank you for giving me a home. Sincerely, Chet. Age 5.
Animals have feelings too. Be humane. More information is available at dptv.org/behumane. Brought to you by HEART, developing a compassionate world through education, and the Humane Society of Huron Valley.